I wanted to do a quick follow-up video for my automated blinds to tell you about a project that I'll be working on for the next few weeks. In addition to publishing the Arduino source code for my projects, I'm also going to start offering a few other versions of my code for each project. Each of these other versions will be a little bit more user-friendly and won't require any use of the Arduino IDE or any fumbling around with libraries. These pre-compiled bin files can be uploaded right to your ESP8266 hardware using the ESP Easy Uploading tool, and they're going to utilize the Wi-Fi Manager interface for any modifications that need to be made. To start with, I plan on offering two main branches of my code. The first branch will be the one that I feature in my videos, and will almost always rely on MQTT to function. I use Home Assistant and Node-RED, and I think MQTT is an amazing protocol that's worth using. But I also recognize that if you don't want to set up a separate hub, seeing that a project is MQTT only can be a huge letdown. To make my projects more available to a larger audience, I'll also be publishing a version of the code that uses Amazon Echo as the hub. These versions will also be flashed using the ESP Easy Uploader, but they'll include Wi-Fi Manager to set up the credentials and an Alexa invocation name. All you need to do after deploying these switches is ask your Echo to discover new devices, and then they'll automatically be discovered. You can also set up basic groups and some automations within the Echo app. And it does allow you to remotely access your devices from outside your network, so it's a pretty good option for somebody just getting started in the hobby. To access these bin files, click on the Releases tab on the GitHub project that you'd like to use, and then follow the instructions on that page. Basically, you'll download the ESP Easy Uploader and then the bin file you'd like to use. Plug in your Node MCU and press Upload. After uploading, you should see a new wireless SSID pop up called Blind Setup or Light Setup or whatever project that you're building. Connect to that Wi-Fi network with a phone or a laptop, and then enter your credentials for Wi-Fi, MQTT, or the Alexa invocation name, depending on which project you're using. After that, you're all set. I'll be rolling out these pre-compiled bin files for my projects over the next few weeks. If there are any other integrations that you'd like to see, please let me know and I'll look into adding them to my standard release package. If you enjoy my projects and you'd like to see more like them, please consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching The Hookup.